Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best air sanders of 2025, the tools that deliver the smoothest finishes, the strongest performance, and the best value for your workshop this year. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional auto body tech, or just upgrading your gear, we've tested and compared the latest models so you don't have to. Stick around to see which air sander comes out on top. And as always, all product links are available for you in the description below, so feel free to check them out anytime. Let's get started. 5. Ingersoll Rand 315G. Experience serious power and precision with the Ingersoll Rand 305G straight line air sander. Engineered with a twin piston design that delivers consistent strength and prevents stalling, even under heavy load. Whether you're smoothing body filler or shaping large flat surfaces, this heavy-duty sander is built to take on the toughest jobs with ease. Featuring a 2.75-inch by 15-inch pad and an impressive 3,000 reciprocating strokes per minute, it's designed for fast, professional-grade results. Plus, its ergonomic grip, lightweight build, and low vibration performance keep you comfortable and efficient during long sessions. With quick-action paper clamps that make sandpaper changes fast and hassle-free, this tool is a must-have for anyone serious about achieving a flawless finish. 4. YPCOO 7500L. Upgrade your workflow with this high-quality, durable air sander, engineered with a lightweight aluminum shell weighing only 2.48 kilograms, 5.47 pounds for effortless handling. Designed to fit standard quarter-inch air hoses, it delivers a powerful 2,500 RPM for fast, efficient polishing, saving you both time and effort. The built-in exhaust silencer ensures low noise performance, while the advanced ball-bearing construction provides smooth, vibration-free operation. Easily control your speed with a feather-touch trigger and enjoy left or right-hand convenience with the flip handle design. Perfect for restoring dull paint, removing rust, eliminating fine scratches, or even functioning as a grinder. This tool brings out a flawless and glossy finish every time. 3.3 mm 20-317. Experience professional-grade performance with this powerful 0.28 HP pneumatic sander, engineered to handle demanding sanding and finishing applications with ease. Its precision-balanced motor delivers ultra-smooth operation, giving you greater comfort, control, and flawless results every time. Unlike standard electric sanders, this tool offers continuous pneumatic power, perfect for long hours on the job. The included 3M Stick-It disc pad allows fast, hassle-free adhesive disc changes, keeping your workflow efficient. Built with a durable aluminum body and composite cover, it's designed to withstand tough industrial environments while maintaining peak performance. Its compact, low-profile ergonomic design ensures optimal balance and comfort, making it the perfect partner for 3M sanding abrasives. For industrial and occupational use only, not intended for consumer use. 2. Chicago Pneumatic CP7200. Boost your home improvement and woodworking projects with the Chicago Pneumatic CP7200 Air Random Rotary Sander, a compact yet powerful tool built for serious performance. Featuring a 3-inch 75mm hook and loop pad and delivering up to 15,000 RPM, this heavy-duty rotary sander makes surface prep, polishing, rust removal, and finishing faster and smoother than ever. Its pistol grip handle offers superior control and comfort, whether you're working on wood, metal, or automotive surfaces. If you're looking for a reliable, professional-grade tool to elevate your DIY or shop setup, the CP7200 is engineered to deliver consistent, high-quality results every time. Perfect for creators, craftsmen, and anyone who wants pro performance in the palm of their hand. 1. Astro Pneumatic 3037. Upgrade your workshop with the Astro Pneumatic 3037 Air Belt Sander, the ultimate tool for precision grinding, deburring, and shaping metal. This compact 1/2-inch by 18-inch air sander delivers powerful performance with adjustable speed control, making it perfect for professional bodywork, fabrication, and tight spot sanding. It comes complete with 3 premium sanding belts, M36, M40, 60, so you can tackle everything from aggressive material removal to fine surface prep right out of the box. Whether you're restoring, repairing, or customizing, the Astro 3037 brings efficiency, control, and pro-level results to every project. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best air sanders of 2025. I hope this video helped you find the perfect tool for your workshop, whether you're into woodworking, auto body repairs, or professional finishing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future reviews and buyer's guides. Got questions or want to recommend a tool for our next video? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. All product links are in the description, so feel free to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.